Hey, what's up everyone? If you're new here, my name is Haroon and today I'm bringing you guys an all-inclusive, everything you need to know tutorial for fading your sides and cutting your top. So pretty much get ready to go bald because your first few tries, you're gonna mess up, right? That's a given. Everyone does, right? Kidding guys, you're not gonna go bald. You're not gonna mess up. You got this. I believe in you. Okay, so for our first step, you want to style your hair. This will allow it to be in a position that it always is and create your first guideline with no guard and closed lever. Next, open the lever and go about half an inch, following the same pattern. And then here I have the number 1 guard finally. That's the first guard that I'm going to use with the lever all the way open. Sweet, so our guidelines are created and we can finally start the fading process, starting with no guard and a closed lever. Now this portion is super important guys because it's all about the flick of the wrist, right? It's the flick of the wrist. I can't believe I just said that. But it's true, it is about the flick of the wrist. It is important because we move a very little bit on that line, and that wrist motion is super important because that gives you that mini fade in that area, and it allows for that line to vanish and just fade into the next guideline. What you want to do is you want to open the lever as you go up slowly. So start with the closed lever, opening it up as you move up to the next guideline. Here's what I mean by that. Alright, next is the half guard, starting closed, opening lever as you go up. Pretty much the same process that we've had before. It's pretty similar as you move up with the guards. Alright, for the next visible line, we use the 1.5 guard with an open lever.
It looks like you lost another one.
Good stuff, and the last one for me is number 2 with an open lever. And remember guys, a quick tip for y'all here. You don't have to give yourself a skin fade like I do. That's just the type of hairstyle that I'm rocking right now, right? This tutorial works for any side length, and all you do is, instead of starting with no guard for the first guideline, you're gonna start with maybe like a number 1 guard, number 2 guard, depending on how long you want your sides to be. And you wanna move up with the guards, kind of like I do here. So if you start with a number 1 guard, you're gonna move up to 2, 3, 4, so on and so forth. All right, so we're gonna move to our top cut here. What you wanna do is you wanna wet your hair and part it 2 ways, and then cut the same length on both sides. This will give you a guideline for the top.
It looks like you lost another one.
All right, so our guide is created. Take the hair in the front, kind of like I do here, hold with 2 fingers and cut to make it even with the rest of that portion. And then brush your hair to the side again. Remember, this is another pretty repetitive process as you go up, right? You want to just partition the hair out and then cut anything that you see that is excess.
It looks like you lost another one. Looks like you lost another one.
And finally, for the back portion, I use some of the larger guards because it's just easier for me to reach. And you guys might find the same thing. Use your hands, see if that's better for you. But for me, the guards do just as good of a job as cutting with my hands. You want to run your hands through, make sure everything looks good, it looks nice, it looks even. If you see any uneven spots, cut them, make sure that everything looks good. All right, finally, we're actually done, guys. I want you to look handsome, be proud of your new cut, and style your hair. All right, we'll take a shower first, then style your hair. I will not include my shower scene here. That's gonna be in my OnlyFans account, which is linked down below. For those of you that actually went down below to check out if I have an OnlyFans account, since you're already there, you might as well just hit that subscribe button because I don't have an OnlyFans account. What do you guys think I am? I have pride. I have a little bit of pride. I want everybody that's watching this video to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is @HaroonNaozadi. Show me your final result. How did you guys do? Do you guys think this was a good tutorial or not? You know, talk to me on Instagram or just comment down below and I'll respond back to you guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you all have an amazing day and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.